MathFlashApp is the best application for your child to learn basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Here's the main screen. Notice the visual layout of the answer options, the emphasis on number positional value, and the user session and lifetime stats area. The first thing you will want to do is to create usernames for your children. We will set up an account for Sally and start doing some one-digit addition. MathFlashApp helps children learn from their mistakes. It also always reinforces the key concept of number positions. For example, in the equation Sally just completed, the tens carry is shown as an element of the final answer. Now we will let Sally complete a few more one-digit additions. Let us take a look at the stats area. Sally can see that she has completed 3 tries in the current session. She answered 1 correctly on her first try, 1 on her second try, and 1 equation took 3 tries to get correct. Sally also has a lifetime total, which in this case matches her session total. Setting a new lifetime total is an excellent way to motivate your child to complete his or her MathFlash work. It will be important for parents to motivate, measure, and manage their children's learning. The levels of arithmetic in MathFlashApp span the 1st through 3rd grades in the United States elementary school curriculum. This is approximately ages 6 to 8. MathFlashApp gives parents a wonderful set of tools to accomplish this. To demonstrate, we are going to use some actual usage data from a 1st grade student named Antonia. We are setting up a chart to show Antonia's average seconds to the correct answer by day for one-digit additions. The average seconds to correct answer chart is a terrific tool to measure your child's progress. In this chart, we see that Antonia has completed 658 one-digit additions and has reduced her average time to correct answer from about 20 seconds to 5 or 6 seconds. This shows Antonia is ready to move to a higher level of work. Another very useful chart is the answers chart. This chart shows percentage of correct answers on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th try. Antonia's overall high percentage of first answers again shows she is ready to move to a new level. The answers chart is also useful to check if your child is simply button pushing. If the first try answer line is consistently around or below 60%, then it is very likely your child is not trying to click the right answer first. Your child's progression through MathFlashApp's arithmetic levels is easy to manage using the charts and reports. Ensure your child is relaxed, feels confident, understands the key concepts, has instant recall, and knows how to simplify complex equations. We will go back to Sally to demonstrate levels. We are going to have Sally advance to 2-digit addition. As Sally works through these equations, notice how MathFlashApp highlights the tens column addition and how the carry forward is added into the tens total. Here we have advanced Sally again. She is now doing 3-digit addition. She sees the complex problem as 3 simple steps, solving the ones, then tens, and finally the hundreds. Notice again how carry forwards are highlighted and used. Sally now moves to one-digit subtraction. In addition to learning the basics, one-digit subtraction introduces Sally to the concept of negative numbers. For 2- and 3-digit subtraction, Sally will again follow the step-by-step number position process that was just shown for 2- and 3-digit addition. These arithmetic levels also introduce the very important concept of borrowing. MathFlashApp has been carefully designed to explain and demonstrate this often confusing concept. Here's a 3-digit subtraction equation for Sally to solve. Notice how MathFlashApp describes all the borrowing steps and adjusts the equation as she works through it. Learning multiplication tables is wonderfully easy with MathFlashApp. Here we are setting up Sally to learn the twos table. When doing multiplication, there is a choice between ordered and random presentation. You will want to start your child on ordered. Here we see Sally doing the ordered twos. Equations are presented with a minimum of disruption, so Sally can focus on the 2, 4, 6, 8 pattern. As each equation completes, it is listed for reference on the right side of the screen. Random presentation works through the multiplication table in random order, as we see Sally doing here. The next equation button returns with random so that Sally can have a moment's pause to learn from any mistakes she might make. Once the basic arithmetic levels are mastered, two-digit multiplication and long division equations are presented using a learning format. Here you can see how this format teaches your children how these more complex equations are easily solved using their newly mastered basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication arithmetic skills. Finally, we end the video showing a MathFlashApp long division learning example that teaches how to do division using simple basic arithmetic steps. Thank you for your time and consideration.